Today, I'll show you how to create a text reveal effect in DaVinci Resolve. This simple yet stunning effect can add a professional touch to your videos, making your text appear smoothly on the screen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your timeline is ready. If you haven't already, import the video clip you want to work with. Once your video is in place, navigate to the effects library on the top left of the screen. There, you'll find a wide range of effects and tools, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Text Plus option. Click and drag the Text Pulses effect onto your timeline above your video clip. This will create a new layer specifically for your text. With your Text Plus effect on the timeline, it's time to add some style. Click on the Text Plus layer to select it, and then look over to the inspector panel on the top right. Here, you can type in the text you want to reveal. Feel free to customize the font, size, and color to suit your project's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with how your text looks, it's time to add a blur effect to create that dramatic reveal. Next, head back to the Effects library. Under the Open Effects tab, scroll down until you find the blur effect. Click and drag the blur effect onto your Text Plus layer in the timeline. This is the foundation of the reveal effect, giving us the ability to animate how the text comes into view. Now, let's keyframe the blur size to create the reveal. Start by ensuring your playhead is at the beginning of your text layer. In the inspector, under the Open FX settings, you'll notice a parameter called blur size. We want to start with a high blur value so the text is completely blurred out. Adjust the blur size to a high number, ensuring your text is not readable. Then click on the diamond-shaped icon next to blur size to set a keyframe. This action locks in the initial state of your text. Once your initial keyframe is set, move the playhead forward a few seconds in the timeline. The exact duration depends on how quickly you want your text to appear. Now, reduce the blur size to 0. This will create a second keyframe, marking the end of the blur transition. With this setup, your text will gradually come into focus as the video plays. To ensure the reveal looks smooth and professional, let's refine the keyframes. In the timeline, select the keyframes you've created. Right-click on them to open the context menu and choose Ease In or Ease Out options. This will make the transition softer, giving your text a more polished appearance as it fades into clarity. And there you have it, a beautifully smooth text reveal effect that can enhance any video project. Play back your timeline to see the effect in action and make any final adjustments to timing or blur size as needed. With these steps, you'll be able to add an elegant touch to your videos, capturing your audience's attention with ease. Thanks for watching and happy editing.